Welcome to our wildlife adventure. In this video, we'll take you on a thrilling journey into the world of rhinos, showcasing the unique features and fascinating behaviors of four magnificent rhino species. Get ready to be awestruck by their power, beauty, and the urgent need to protect them. Let's dive in. The white rhinoceros, also known as the square-lipped rhinoceros, Ceratotherium summum, acquired its name not because of its color but due to a mistranslation of the Afrikaans word wide, which means wide, referring to its broad, square-shaped lips. White rhinos are the second largest land mammals after elephants. They can reach lengths of 11 to 13 feet, 3.4 to 4 meters, and shoulder heights of 5 to 6 feet, 1.5 to 1.8 meters, weighing between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds, 1,400 to 2,300 kilograms, as adults. In appearance, white rhinos have massive bodies covered in gray or brown skin, which can appear almost white when coated in mud. They possess wide mouths with broad upper lips adapted for grazing on grasses. White rhinos inhabit grassland, savanna, and woodland habitats in southern and eastern Africa. They prefer areas with access to water sources such as rivers and watering holes. As herbivores, white rhinos primarily graze on grasses. Their wide lips and square-shaped mouths enable them to efficiently crop grass close to the ground. White rhinos are generally peaceful and non-territorial. They are social animals often found in small groups called crashes, consisting of females, young rhinos, and occasionally a dominant male. They communicate through various vocalizations, including snorts, grunts, and squeaks. The conservation status of the white rhino includes two subspecies, the southern white rhino and the northern white rhino. The southern white rhino is classified as near threatened, with a population of around 18,000 individuals. Conservation efforts have been successful in stabilizing their numbers. However, the northern white rhino is critically endangered, with only 2 remaining individuals. Rigorous protection and ongoing conservation initiatives are underway to rescue this subspecies from the brink of extinction. The black rhinoceros, scientifically known as Diceros bicornis, gets its name from the dark coloration of its skin, which can range from gray to brown. This name distinguishes it from the white rhino based on differences in lip shape rather than color. Black rhinos are smaller compared to white rhinos but are still sizable creatures. They typically measure around 10 to 12 feet, 3 to 3.7 meters, in length and stand about 4.6 to 5.9 feet, 1.4 to 1.8 meters, tall at the shoulder. Adult black rhinos weigh between 1,760 and 3,080 pounds, 800 to 1,400 kilograms. In terms of appearance, black rhinos have a distinctive look with a large head and a pointed upper lip. They possess 2 horns, with the front horn being longer and more prominent. Their skin is thick and heavily folded, providing a rugged and armored appearance. Black rhinos can be found in various habitats across Africa, including grasslands, savannas, and dense forests. They are adaptable and can survive in both arid and humid environments. Their distribution ranges from southern and eastern Africa to pockets in western and central Africa. As herbivores, black rhinos primarily browse on leaves, shoots, twigs, and branches of a wide range of plants. Their prehensile upper lip enables them to grasp and pluck foliage from trees and bushes. They display a selective feeding behavior, targeting specific plant species. Black rhinos are typically solitary creatures, except during breeding and when females have calves. They have a relatively small home range and mark their territory with dung piles and scent markings. Known for their aggressive nature, black rhinos may charge when they feel threatened. The black rhino is classified as critically endangered. Their population has been significantly reduced due to poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and conflicts with humans. Although their numbers declined dramatically in the 20th century, conservation efforts have helped stabilize and increase populations in certain areas. However, they continue to face ongoing threats, making conservation efforts crucial for the protection and preservation of this iconic species. One-horned rhinos, also known as Indian rhinoceros or greater one-horned rhinoceros, belong to the species Rhinoceros unicornis. Here is some information about them. Size: one-horned rhinos are among the largest land animals. They typically reach lengths of 10 to 12.5 feet, 3 to 3.8 meters, and stand about 5 to 6 feet, 1.5 to 1.8 meters, tall at the shoulder. Adult males can weigh between 4,400 and 6,600 pounds, 2,000 to 3,000 kilograms, while females are slightly smaller. Appearance: one-horned rhinos have a thick, armor-like skin that can vary in color from gray to brown. Their most notable feature is their single horn, composed of keratin, the same material found in hair and nails. This horn can grow up to 8 inches, 20 centimeters, long. These rhinos primarily inhabit the Indian subcontinent, specifically areas in Nepal and northeastern India. They are found in grasslands, swamps, and forests near rivers and wetlands. One-horned rhinos are well adapted to both terrestrial and semi-aquatic environments. Diet: one-horned rhinos are herbivores, mainly feeding on grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and leaves. They use their prehensile upper lip to grasp and tear vegetation, while their strong lower incisors and canines assist in cropping and chewing their food. Behavior: one-horned rhinos are primarily solitary creatures, although they may occasionally form small groups. They are known for their aggressive behavior when defending their territory. Communication among them involves various sounds, including roars, grunts, and snorts. While they possess a keen sense of hearing and smell, their eyesight is relatively poor. The one-horned rhino has made a remarkable recovery in terms of conservation efforts. Previously listed as endangered, their population has increased due to dedicated conservation initiatives. Currently, the Indian rhino is classified as vulnerable. However, they still face threats such as habitat loss, poaching for their horns, and human-wildlife conflicts. Continued efforts are crucial to ensure their long-term survival and protection. The Sumatran rhinoceros is the smallest among the rhinoceros species. It has a compact and stocky body covered in reddish-brown to grayish-brown skin with a thin layer of hair. This rhinoceros possesses 2 horns, with the front horn being larger than the rear one. Adult Sumatran rhinoceroses typically measure around 8 to 10 feet, 2.4 to 3 meters, in length and stand about 4 to 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, tall at the shoulder. They weigh between 1,100 and 2,200 pounds, 500 to 1,000 kilograms. These rhinoceroses inhabit dense tropical rainforests, montane forests, and swampy areas. They are mostly found at elevations ranging from sea level to 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Sumatran rhinoceroses are herbivores, primarily feeding on a variety of vegetation, including leaves, twigs, fruits, and bark. They use their prehensile lip to grasp and pluck foliage. These rhinoceroses are solitary and primarily nocturnal creatures. They have a home range that varies depending on the availability of food and resources. Sumatran rhinoceroses are known for their wallowing behavior, often covering their bodies in mud to protect their skin from insects and regulate body temperature. The breeding habits of Sumatran rhinoceroses are not well documented, but it is believed that they have a gestation period of approximately 15 to 16 months. Females usually give birth to a single calf, which remains with them for an extended period before becoming independent. The Sumatran rhinoceros is critically endangered. The primary threats to their survival include habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal poaching for their horns, and a small population size. It is estimated that fewer than 100 individuals remain in the wild, making it one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect and preserve this unique species from extinction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to sub. Have nice cup of coffee and enjoy your day. Have a nice one.